Also breaking, 4 of the 7 suspects charged in last month's deadly mass shooting at Winston-Salem's Leinbach Park that left 2 teenagers dead are back in court right now. Greidy Mendoza-Soriano, Stephen Villanueva, Karissa-Gamez and Joel-Gamble Toliver are all appearing before a judge. Erin Burnett joining us now live. She just stepped out of the courtroom for us. And Erin, I want you to share, because you have some really big developments when it comes down to Joel-Gamble Toliver, and his attorney is actually calling him a hero.
Yeah, that's right. It's a packed courtroom in there right now. We stepped out to tell you guys what Joel-Gamble Toliver's attorney is saying. He's essentially saying that his client, Joel-Gamble Toliver, acted in self-defense, and they have a video to prove it. In that video, Gamble Toliver's attorney says Arube Medina, remember that's the 17-year-old who was killed in this altercation, and Gamble Toliver exchanged a text message that they were going to go watch 2 teen girls fight. The attorney says in this 20-second video that they have showing the fight occurring in Leinbach Park, he told the judge that the video shows them standing in the crowd when Stephen Villanueva and the 16-year-old Daniel Millian, who was killed, approached them and started an altercation. The attorney says the video shows Daniel Millian starting to fire a gun into a crowd of people, and he says that's when Medina charged at Millian with a weapon that he did not fire, which is when Daniel Millian then shot Medina in the head. The attorney says the video shows all of this, and he also said that that 20-second video shows Gamble Toliver picking up the gun and shooting Millian, which he claims was self-defense. He called his client and Medina both heroes and said if they did not confront Daniel Millian, who knows how many other people would have been hurt in this situation. But the state argued that from their perspective, watching the same video, that Gamble Toliver and Medina were aggressors in this situation and that they can't argue self-defense. They also still think that Gamble Toliver is a flight risk because of a prior charge from a separate incident. But ultimately, the judge said that the self-defense question will be up to a jury. And in the meantime, for now, Gamble Toliver was given a $70,000 secured bond. And we do still have a crew inside the courtroom for the other 3 suspects who were expected to be before a judge today in the same incident. And we will be bringing you more information on that as well, both on air and online. But for now, live in Winston-Salem, I'm Erin Burnett, WXAI 12 News.